Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Arya. As you may have read the title, I'm unboxing this heavy guy which I received from my uncle. So let's get started. Oh, it's 3D coloring puzzles. Thanks a lot, dear uncle, for thinking of me for this wonderful, surprising gift. I feel amazed that you can read my mind. I'm very fond of such things. On the front it says 3D coloring puzzles. Guys, this is an educational toy that boosts our brain power. It helps to develop our motor skills, social skills, shape and color, concentration, and creativity. Includes 10 different 3D puzzle models and 24 dual tip marker set. These are the 10 different 3D puzzles. So I'm gonna open it now. I'm so excited. Ooh, markers. They're so mesmerizing. Let's look inside. Puzzles. I'll dump them all out. On each puzzle, we have to color these patterns, and on the back side, they have provided how to assemble it. So I'm going to make Okay, so I'm going to make Stegosaurus, so let's do this. Okay, so all these aside. Guys, do you know Stegosaurus had brains the size of a walnut? Stegosaurus means roof lizard. I am very pleased to see how it turned out. Okay. Ooh, 2 sheets. Cool. Okay, so these are the instructions. Okay. I have no idea how it will turn out. Okay, so they have like this brush tip and this fine tip. It's not opening. Okay, so this is the fine tip and this is the brush tip. Cool. So I'm gonna use the brush tip. So was it, guys. I hope you appreciate it. I'm so happy to see how it turned out. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't be shy, be confident, and bloom with me. Just like flower, I will bloom in my next video. Bye bye.